What's good, everybody? Let me turn that down just a little bit more. Here we go. Happy Sunday, everybody. Yeah. We're gonna be doing some work on our game, starting with some animation. Actually, I don't know, I haven't really decided whether I want to start with the animation or the code. Honestly, this isn't even animation, I just need to have another pose for the character to go into, but I suppose that will probably end up having it animate to that point, but whatever. Pardon me. So, yeah, tonight we're gonna be working on adding weapons to the game. I mean, structurally, a lot of the code is already there for that, so this will be mostly wiring it up both in Godot and also just getting like an animation out there for a pistol and whatnot. Making like a prefab in Godot and other stuff like that. So what we want to do is make ourselves a new animation. I don't know how I do that. I think the last one we like copy pasted basically. Well, whatever. Well, that's even weirder. Like this, why is this one under here? Whatever. New collection. Oh, there you go. The copy looking icon. Whatever, dude. Oh, you know what it is? It's the whatever is selected is up there, and then the idle ones are down there. I don't know what NLA stands for, but probably something like that. Equip. Pistol. Oh, we'll also need to attach the pistol to the player. Or I guess, maybe there's a way we could, like, add that to the animation. Oh, I need to... go back. I won't need the head for this. I don't think this is gonna, like, delete the head. No, it did delete the head. That's not good. There you go. Okay, so when I have no more nodes for it on there, that gets rid of it. Cool. Oh, right, I have something set where it hides the ones that aren't in use. That's why it's doing this. Don't know what menu that's under, but I am not an animator. Okay, so... Oh, but when you click it, it'll show up. Nice. Alright, well, let's take the left hand. We're gonna move that. Nope. Ooh. I don't know how I lower the number of frames in this animation. Maybe that? A previous layer, no. Maybe in here? Doesn't seem to do anything. Well, whatever. Let's try to move this gosh darn hand. Oops. Like, I can do it with numbers up there, but I'd rather just click and drag, and I know I can do that, just, forgetting how to do it. And I seem to be grabbing the whole skeleton, which is not what I want. There we go. Oh. No, do not delete. Eh. God. Oh, I'm also barking up the wrong tree here. It's left hand, so it would be over here, right? Oh, you know what? I think I might have moved the origin like a ton of times. Well, we can always like manually reset that, I think. I don't know if that matters or not. Might. Why are there so many things now? Got all the bones. Let me go consult a video really quick. Oh wait, I just typed Blender animation. Rig animation. Okay, cool. There's this one. I think this will be good. I looked at it before, but the other thing too is the bones are not they're not pointy like in I don't know if that's like they're set up differently on this model or what. Oh, I think I know what I did wrong. I had to like set which things I want to mess with. I haven't done that yet. Okay. Let's do that then. Or no? Hmm. You go undo all of this stuff. Yeah. Now we're back to this. That's good. Forget. Okay, this is probably about what I'm looking for. Just need to What? How's it going? It's going all right. How are you? Trying to remember how to do animation here. Oh, right. It was wherever the keyframe's at. This will eventually all click. Oop, not that. That's the whole skeleton. Oh, man, what am I missing here? There's definitely a way to just select a single bone. And I'm not sure what I'm doing. What type of 10,000 coin dab we talking about? A physical movement of the arms. I'm in object mode. Oh, that's what's going on. Thank you. Knew it had to be something simple. Alright, cool. Back to translation here. Gonna move this guy out. Oop, shoot. Also, I don't think I guess we'll make it an animation. I kind of don't need it to be one. Oh shoot, right. The body's not gonna move with that way. Oh, is it because I'm highlighted on just Z-axis here? No, the bones are like mad and I'm trying to move them. Whee! Alright, there we go. That's more what I'm looking for. Yeah, I guess I wouldn't be moving them. I'm basically just kind of rotating them into place. Gotcha, gotcha. Need to change my view right now because I can't really see what this all looks like. Oh, that's fine. There we go. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. And then I also want to bring it in. Oh, I already did. There we go. Good, good, good. Okay. Uh-oh. Screwed something up again. Oh, I didn't record the... Hold on, I can get it back. Okay, yeah. So now I need to record the position of forearm and the hand at this spot. With this. And now, there we go. Okay, good. Good, good, good. And now the other hand. Like I said, we'll eventually be cooking with gas here, but not my forte. Not always the quickest with this stuff. Okay, that's going inside of him. Not what I meant to do. Well, here, let me get it on the x-axis first. Then we'll rotate on the z. Come on, you can do it. Get over there, bud. Alright, how ridiculous does that look on the actual model? I don't know if that's going to line up the way I want it to. So he'll have, like, my idea is he's holding a pistol, like, down like this. This is like you're inactive, like you have it equipped, but you're not aiming it or anything like that. It'll be in his right hand. I guess I'm doing it backwards here, but whatever. I guess I want the right hand lower if he's going to be holding it in his right hand. I could make him left-handed, it doesn't matter really, but... yeah, they need to be closer together. I think I need to move the left arm over more. Bum bum. Oh, it's almost looking pretty good, except I'm clipping through my own body now. I'm gonna probably have to move the shoulder a little bit, too. No, select it, damn it. There we go. I guess I could do that by clicking on it. Oh, I need the forearm as well. Maybe I don't actually need the shoulder, then. Oh, actually, I just need to move the shoulder, not the bones down here. Okay. Try to do that without overlapping the mesh into itself. Impossible. No. There we go. 6 hours later, I have made a really, really, really basic animation. Good stuff. Alright. Oh, that only happens if I put manual frame range on there. Cool. Alright. Or maybe it doesn't. I don't know how to set the end frames. Maybe this will work, though. Ah, there you go. There you have it. Wait, what? Scam. Alright. Well, while we're in here, we should make the other animation as well. I don't really care. Well, no, I do care about the frame range. No, I don't, because it's a one-shot animation, so if it just hangs there at the end of the frame, it's fine. I don't care. I mean, I probably should care, but I don't. Alright, next animation. And this will be aim pistol. And we're just going to work on the pistol for now. We'll obviously do this again with more weapons as I create them. But yeah. Oh, I don't know what I did there. I think I did like a smoothing thing by accident. I mean, it does work the way I want it to though, so I guess that's okay. Chat, I haven't hit save this entire time. Wait, shoot, no, I need to undo that deletion there. Okay, so now I need to, these need to be the starting point of this animation, because we're gonna go from you know, equipping the gun to like aiming it, so we'll need to put them over here. Which is incredibly easy to do, that's awesome. And then back at the 40 mark again. Alright, so what hand would the gun be in here? I think it'll be in his right hand here, so that will stay relatively in place, while this arm... I don't know what I'm doing. Should like look at some sort of reference image to figure this out. But yeah, so this arm's gonna raise up and aim. So do that. And likewise a little movement in the elbow as well. It's probably aiming too high now. Oh, also I need that to lock to this axis. Or do I even want that? How does that look? I mean, obviously he's aiming it too high, but... oh, I guess I gotta insert a keyframe for that. Why did that move? What? That's not too bad. It's very subtle though, and I don't like that. Like, it should be, it's actually not too high. I think that'll be okay. You know what? I don't really need to spend a million years on this anyway, because ultimately I want to use a different model, so I kind of just need something now so I can reference what I need to reference. That might be overlapping. No, but it's also not quite right. Need to like move this bone a little bit more. Break your hand a little bit. This is gonna look so dumb. Whatever. I'm fine with it. Oh! Almost forgot to do that. Wait, no! No, 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 no! What the heck? Oh, I see what happened. I wasn't selecting everything. Is that all of them? Nope. Alright. Sweet. There you go. Totally accurate gun aim animation. Alright. That's enough Blender for one stream. Let's get back. Let's get into the. Well, actually, we're not even gonna get into the code yet. Now we got to get into the animation tree stuff. Don't look. Oh, that's actually fine. I'm gonna just directly put this here. Yeah, we'll put it in the Blender folder. Then I'll move it over. God, it's already the 21st. January has flown by. What the heck is my Goon's House of Doom folder? Why are there two of them? I don't like that. This one was edited last year. What the heck? Oh, okay. But the Git folder has been edited last week. Okay, good. This is the right one. I don't know if I need to restart. Oh wait, I made this a GLB, not a FBX. Also didn't save it apparently. Wait. December 30 or December 3rd, probably, right? I don't know. That's humanlow.glb. Yep, okay, good. Okay, back in here. At some point I'm gonna go remodel this stuff, but not right now. Like I said, we're gonna have our own shit. Our own model for the character, not this pre-made thing that I got off the internet. I mean, we can use this, there's nothing wrong with it, but and it's CC, it's either CC0 or CC with attribution, so definitely usable. I cannot I can't like talk and work at the same time tonight apparently. Alright, I don't know if this will require a reload. Nope, I just did it. Okay, that's fine. Don't worry about all that. Here's our boy. That's wrong though. Yeah, I think something went quite wrong here. Also, that just crashed. Cool. Thank you, Godot. I never hit start recording, chat. Well, we're at the mercy of the Twitch vibe now, I guess. What just happened? Okay, we're good. So yeah, I think I need to go reset the origin in Blender, because it looks like it might have, no, it seems to be working. Yep, colliding it just fine with everything. Okay, that was weird. There we go. I guess it's always been like that? I'm like gaslighting myself now. But yeah, looks like he's working just fine. Can fall off stuff just normal. Whatever. That might have just been like a weird import artifacting thing. I don't know. Alright. Well, we got some new animations to work with now, which is exciting. You know, one thing that's really fucking cool with Godot. I think Unity also does this, to be fair, but either way, it's cool. It's no matter what, it's a cool feature. Forget which thing I click on to actually mess with the animation. I was gonna show it off rather than explain it, but now I can't find it. Whoops. Oh yeah, not you. Oh, maybe it's inside this? Oh yeah, there is something totally off in here. That's weird. I think it might always have been that way, though. Ah, there we go. Not this. I mean, this is cool and whatever, but... not only does it, like, know the animations, but, like, I can take, like, a different model, and as long as it has the animations named the same way, it will keep my animation tree, wherever that is. This is not the right tab. Oh, over here, yeah. It'll, like, maintain all of this stuff. That's so cool. Okay, so we got our output, we got our timescale. We've got a state machine for the legs, but we actually need something else on top of all this. Because we need to blend... Actually, I guess I could blend inside the state machine, but then that seems a bit silly. I forget how this stuff works. Oh yeah, so idle doesn't matter because there's that. And then this. Idle to walk, yeah, where's the conditions for this stuff? Ah, there we go. And walking. And idle, okay. I think it's probably going to be best to leave the legs in their own world here and go back out. That's why they call them legs anyway. And what we want to do instead is we're going to add another thing in here. Blend 2. And we'll want this to be exactly 50-50. I can type this in, I don't know what I'm doing. Output gets wired up to that. That gets blended into there. And I think basically I'll have another state machine. This one will be called arms. And that's what it'll get blended with. And our start will go to idle by default. Yep. So immediately go there. Oops. And then equip pistol will be here. And the condition for that will be I don't know whether capitalization matters. Also, I can't spell. But the other ones were lowercase. I think since I'm just using strings, I could have like dashes and stuff, but if this does need to get stored in a variable somewhere, I think it'll be better to just either go camel case or Pascal or whatever. I can spell it here too, dude. I am not on my A game tonight. Wait, oh shoot. Equip. I misspelled it a while ago. Whoops. Well, that's a pickle. Well, we're about to find out what the heck happens when you do this, I guess. Other than Godot's probably going to blow up anyway. So it likes to do that. I'm going to save before we do any of that. Hey, what's up, Aaron? How's it going? Alright, put this guy in there. Wait for Godot to explode. Didn't blow up yet. Sure, it's gonna yell at me in here, because this is not a real animation anymore. Why is this red? I have no idea what's up with that. It's deving as well. Nice. Good stuff. Aha! There it is. But I can just edit the name there. That's cool. It doesn't even, like, destroy stuff when it sees that you've removed the animation that's named that. I like that a lot. Okay, and then we'll need an animation for aiming the pistol. And I'm gonna leave this kind of linear going down this tree, because eventually we'll have more weapons that we'll need to branch out from the idle state. Cool, cool. So I'll need to go into this state on condition, and we're just gonna call this generically aiming. Oh shoot, I'll need an animation for firing the weapon as well. Crap. Well, we can do that, no problem. Yay! Hello, Raina. Well, I guess you guys get to see me go back into Blender then. And aim. And aiming, so keep the terms a little more consistent. And the important thing here is that, like, both end aiming and aiming, we want those to be generic, as unlike this one over here, equip pistol. Oh, and same goes for, like, unequip. Because we'll be able to just reuse the same variable for generically for any weapon, and we can just invoke that same change of booleans in our code and trigger the same behavior, even though it's on a different, like, tree of logic here. And that's why I'm using the state machine. I don't know if it's the right decision, but that's my reasoning. Again, I am not an animator, so, you know. Oh, so I renamed this, but it didn't, there we go. That really does not look good. Oh well. Okay, I need to set this as well. So idle should be like a looping animation, right? So leave that on its play mode, forward. Oh, you know what, actually? We want to play the aim animation backwards when you stop aiming. Also, these should not be instantaneous. These should be slow. Or, well, okay. When you're done aiming, it should instantly stop aiming, so that can be instant. Damn. When you're aiming it... Getting lost here. Well, I guess that doesn't need to wait for this animation. Oh, yeah, I guess the next arrow going out of here would need to wait for animation. So we'd want to wait for our aiming to finish before you fire. I also need to make sure they don't loop. Yeah, switch mode, immediate, that's good. All of these I think are set to that, but just to be sure. Cool beans, okay. How do I tell, like, forward is cool and all that. And actually, you know what I should do here? So this guy should actually go over here. How do I change you? Nah, whatever, I'll make a new one. Fuck it. What did I call this? Yeah, and end naming. Okay. And then from here, just go back to this guy when that animation is done. But oh wait, that shouldn't be immediate. So this guy shouldn't be immediate. Do this at end. Advance auto. Cool. Oh, and then this... Play mode backwards. So we'll have that, and then we'll have that. Look at that. Perfect. I think that's working as intended. Something's funky with the animation, but that's fine. Move this all. Actually, I need space between idle and everything else because again, we're gonna have multiple weapons that will have similar trees to this. Let's go make a firing animation. So we go back to our aim. Make a new animation. And we just once again from all our bones. Oh man. From all our... Oh, shoot. That's not how that works. Oh, also we'll want to call this fire pistol. Yeah. And then we take... Oh, wait. Okay. This one has a position. Really just anything with a position here. So we don't need shoulder left. We don't need... Wait, did we need shoulder left? Thought I put something with the shoulder. I guess I didn't. Okay. We don't need shoulder right. Okay. This man will never move his shoulders. I hit forearm instead of shoulder. Wait. Also forearm isn't needed? Oh, hand. Wait, no? Ah. There we go. Cool. So just take all these, and then we drag them back. So now we're starting from the aimed position. And then... I guess really I just need the hand. I think we'll do that. How did I get back? Oh, I hit object. Yeah, yeah. Boom, boom. We'll just do that for now. We'll just rotate the hand up. Again, these aren't any sort of final assets or anything like that. Actually, you know what? Yeah, shit. Damn it, I went back in object mode by accident. How dumb does this look? That seems acceptable. Add our keyframe. Go forward 20 more. Actually, I can just copy this, I think. There we go. Little wiggly arm for 40 frames. That'll do. At least for the purposes of just getting this all wired up. I'm actually like even more impressed about how hopefully smooth this should be when we switch models to something that I'm actually modeling from the ground up. Oh wait, I almost copied in the wrong direction. I guess that wouldn't be that bad. It's just the GLB file, not anything else. Okay, let's test these out. I think that was the end of the soundtrack also. It was. Mischief Maker soundtrack. Alright, YouTube recommendations. Let's see. I don't remember the soundtrack to Mischief Makers, even though we played it like not that long ago. So that's probably not a good sign. But we'll see how it goes. Look, he's jamming. I don't know what any of these are. Okay, so there's aim. Oh, right, there's gonna be one for, like, undoing them. Cool, okay. It's pretty pleasant so far. So then we'll have a fire pistol. This will be yet another condition. But again, we're going to make a very basic, generic name, because we're going to reuse it for every weapon, so that the code can reference the same things for the same button presses. Okay, so then this will just automatically go back when the animation's finished. Oh, also, this should... I guess I would need to, like, code around this, but if I have this transition set to, like, not immediate... I mean, I guess I do want it to wait. So, like, I need this to reach the end of its animation before you can... Or I need you to finish aiming before you can fire, which is what I want, but... Yeah, and this will just be automatic. Okay, so if I hit fire pistol... Oh, right. This is, like, super not what it looked like in the editor. Oh, you know what, also, it should, it's gonna replay the aim animation when I do it that way. That's not good. So... if we don't go back... Nah, I'm just creating more problems for myself if I do it that way. I was thinking, like, if I don't go back, can I do something? Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. Damn it. So I'll stick a pin in that for now. I'm not sure how we solve that. Unless there's some way I can, like, tell it, like, you know, don't go to this frame of animation or whatever. This is a really weird soundtrack for the game Mischief Makers. It's so, like, fantastical and... I don't know. It doesn't fit the, like, weird gameplay of the game. So anyway, now that I have all that together... Sign in, get the... Wait. No. I think player status manages all this stuff. No, there's an animation script, right? I think? Not animation test, that's different. Well, now I'm confused. What about the player script itself? Am I doing it in there? I mean, it might be. Okay, yeah, we have the animation tree here. Oh, also I'll need variables for this. Just expand that a little bit. And what was the last one I had? No, that actually is everything, isn't it? Let me double check, but there's 4 of them I just added, and there's 4 checkboxes under this guy, I think. So yeah, we got equip pistol. Oh, unequip. Yeah, there's that too. Oh, and end aiming. Okay, we got a couple more. Also, that's just called fire. Back. Okay, so end aiming. What else? I want to test a couple things after I get this all wired up. I think I might be able to get away with not having, like, you know, 2 variables and everything. Like, I could probably just check, like, is this boolean not true in the conditional? But maybe I can't do that, because I did explicitly do that for a reason last time, and I don't know why exactly. There's one more I'm forgetting about. What is it? It's not aiming, it's not equipped pistol. It's not end aiming. Fire. It's automatic. Oh, unequip. Kinda got these backwards in terms of ordering here. There we go. Yeah, hopefully we can maybe cull down a couple of these here. Like, I think idle we can get rid of if I can get this in here, and same goes for the pistol and everything. Okay. So... yeah, that's what I was afraid of. So the player script doesn't actually manage a lot of the state stuff other than just like walking around, which is why we have all the walking animation stuff in here. So we also need to give our animation tree to our player status object. Oh, shoot. Shoot. That's gonna change scene to scene. Because the player status actually lives in its own space. This is weird. This is gonna be weird. Oh wait, we don't even... maybe we don't use this here. Not implementation. Find usages... yeah, whatever, man. Just fucking... oops. Oh. Okay, maybe I don't need to worry about that then. Yeah, I guess let's keep the animator to the player. Okay, but also, what the heck? What is, I mean, I know I use it in the menus and stuff, but... is there any place where we're actually looking for the aim button? Actually, I guess I could just check the game itself, right? Oh, I know why the animations were looking weird. Oh, I can't move now. Oh, bunch of errors. Wait, where though? Null reference. At line 88 of player. What did I do? What? Oh, did I... is that like a different thing now? Oh, you know what? Yeah, because it's behind this blend too. Oh, if I can do this... I don't know. What are my other options other than blend? I know I need to do this anyway, but, oh, add. Add might be better. Let me check the documentation really quick. Blend two animations additively. That's, I'm thinking about things now, because... so we don't have our own animation right now, but when I add one, I kind of want that to have the arms, unless you're holding something in the arms over here. So maybe blend is better? Or maybe I need to, like, blend them and then add them? No, that doesn't work. Damn. Yeah, let's do add for now. What is this? Oh, shit. Just said. Animation system. Indeed. It's going crazy now. Okay, so now he's back to normal. Now he's got his full equip. Now he's got his aim. There's his fire. And the weird other thing that happens with that, but whatever. Oh yeah, and same deal there as well. It's like doubling up on them. That kind of sucks, but whatever. I'll eventually find a... well, hopefully I'll eventually find a solution to that. Yeah, add is what we want here, for sure. But also, I need to... God, how do I get the, like... There is a way I can get, like, the path for this condition that I've just set up here. Is it this? Nope. I mean, I guess I could probably figure it out just by looking at it, but there's a like nifty way to do this, and I don't know what it is. Okay, so global speed adjust. What's this button? Oh, it's the grid. Grid size. Is it because I'm not zoomed in enough or something? Or not zoomed out enough? I don't know, man. Oh, maybe it wasn't here then? No. So... parameter... or... animation parameters... I think I just gotta put another thing in there. What's going on, Carly? Like, maybe I just have to put in... what the hell did I call it? Add arms and legs. The docs are not crazy clear on this, but this would make the most sense, especially if you had like multiple things with the same name further down. Let's see if that fixes everything. Oh, we're idling again. Nope, still can't move. This was not the error I expected to run into here. This is weird. If I hover over enough, or like a specific spot. Condition. Oh yeah, Godot condition parameter. Okay, hold on. I think this is the video we looked at last time. Wait, go back. Where'd you get those? Oh wait, on the side. Okay, looking at the animation tree, under conditions, there's stuff. Parameters. Parameters slash arm slash conditions slash aiming. Okay. Parameters slash legs slash conditions slash idle. So what we have here, parameters slash legs slash conditions slash idle. What's the problem, man? Cool, thanks. Oh, copy property path, there we go. That's what this thing says, man. Oh, wait, I'm completely reading this backwards. The animator's null on the player for some reason. Like this animation tree object, which is on the thing that's on player. Okay, that actually makes a lot more sense suddenly. This is a weird choice for soundtrack. I think I'm gonna change it in a sec here, but first I want to get this stuff squared away. What the hell is the actual player on? This? Nope. Closing shape? Nope. It's the item box control. It's a bunch of UI stuff, probably not that. No scripts on the root thing. Process game state, nope. Nope. It's the player inventory. Where is our player? What the heck? Oh, maybe underneath this. No script there. Is the player just not... Like, no, it has to be here because it's running the script. It's erroring. Ooh. No other nested objects in here. Unless, does the actual model itself have the player script? Somewhere? Where? That's fucking maddening. Where is the player? Wait. Yeah, it is here. Why does this say no? Oh my god. Wait, why can't I, like... I don't want to open the script, I want to look at you in the inspector. Why... What do you mean two selected? What? The fuck? Oh, I need to be able to... This might be why this happened, actually. Oh, right, I can't click those that way. Dude, I don't know what is up with the player and why he can't, just why he can't. Okay, now my game should stop blowing up. Hey, we can walk around again. Amazing. Yes, so now we need to wire up. Apparently everything else, we aren't using... Okay, here's all the places where we use controls.aim. In save games, that's a UI thing. I guess in animation, this must be dead code, right? No. Oh, right, this was our test thing. I don't really need this script anymore. And this is to cancel out of your inspection logic. Dude, this is... Alright, we're changing the fucking sound. This is so obnoxious. I'm gonna go with the Happy N64 music playlist. Alright. Alright, I'm out. I like banjo music in banjo. Outside of that, yeah. Give me the Donkey Kong Country then, I guess. Or the multiple Donkey Kongs. Whatever. Is that... Yeah, that's balanced. Okay, good. Good. Oops. Come on. The Donkey's Kong. What's up, Maker? How you doing? Okay, so we don't have any functionality around the aim button other than stuff in menus, it looks like. So, I suppose that's up to me to add that in. We have the player status in here, right? Yeah, so we get it. We set it at the beginning of... Wait. The beginning of physics process? That seems like unnecessarily expensive. Why do I... Why? Why not just on ready? This is gonna blow everything up, isn't it? Bet for no reason this will cause a ton of issues. Stuff mostly is working still, it seems. In fact, you might even say it's all working. Yep. Alright, I don't know. I don't know what's up with that, but it works. Yeah, I'd rather not have to like call that over and over again. Like it is just a simple assignment, but I mean that's a huge waste of memory. Every frame that we process physics logic, it's no good. Okay. Here's my debug statement or whatever, that's fine. This shouldn't cause too much chaos if it's being done in here, I think. So the weird thing is, we kind of have all the other logic already wired up, or at least not, if not most of it. So all I really need to do is reach out to, alright, I need to, reach out to player status. Oh, so if, well, we'll want to check player status as well in here, but if we're aiming, or if we're not aiming, and this, though we don't want is action just pressed, we want is action pressed. Actually, we'll need to process animation logic in here as well. So this will be, I'm gonna make this its own method, but whatever. Otherwise, if we are aiming and it's not held, then stop aiming. Actually, you know what? Put them up here. Oh, we also need to check if they have a weapon equipped. We will also need to call this like when you unequip the weapon. Oh shoot, that's right, we don't have a weapon to equip. Well, I guess we could comment this out for now and just like process this logic anyway. Yeah, that'll be okay. Ooh, does player status know about the player? No, we never reach over that way. That's where this is where things get funky, because the player doesn't actually know when you've like grabbed a weapon or not. So instead we're gonna need to like, maybe we'll just make this public and we'll call it. Or we could move these over to the player status. But then the player status would need to know, yeah, no, now we're back in that bad loop of like, the player status, which is like a global object, we'll need to go find the instance of the player's animation filter every time it needs to like change those flags, and that just doesn't seem good. Okay, I'm more okay with having the player status call out to the player when a weapon gets equipped or unequipped. Actually, you know what? That wouldn't be the public thing, because we'd also need to clear out all of the flags for oh, this would be public. And then I guess likewise we would need something similar for when you first equip a weapon. And then these are going to be the things where we need to call... Oh, shoot. Alright, what do we have on the weapon? I need to figure out a way to, like, know which boolean to reference. Both when we're equipping and unequipping, because I need to, like, toggle that, the correct animation flag. Is there, like, a name or something? I guess we could always make, like, a name. Oh, actually, even better. Just so there's, like, no doubt about, like, what that should be. We'll just have an abstract, or, no, this would be a string. And we'll just... I think I only will need this for, like, the equip. Everything else, we're gonna use generic things like fire the weapon and all that stuff. But we need specifically a separate one for each equip, because we need to know which weapon we're, like, holding in the animation. Okay, that's good. Now we go over to player again. And we just have to set these variables. Oh, then I can't rule out the possibility that we'll call unequip randomly when you already don't have something equipped, so that'll just be an easy out there. I guess just to be safe, even here we probably should null check this. Yeah, oh yeah, not here. We will use that constant, but that will be in our pistol class. Get animation name. And this will be true. I didn't do this. There we go. And then likewise, over here, set it to false. I'll just call this weapon. Okay. Likewise with this, we take this. Oh wait, wrong way. Okay, so that should work for all that. And then what did I call this? It's like called unequipped weapon or something. Wait, I have a constant for it, duh. Right now, game constants, animation, player, unequip. Through. And I guess I should set that to false up here before we do any other stuff. Like I said, I may not need this ultimately. If I can just use like a not in my condition, be like, if this is not true, then handle it, then we're good. We'll also let this happen first. So yeah, you stop aiming, get the animation name. Okay, cool, cool, cool. That I think is all good. Oh, firing the weapon. Yeah, we didn't do that, but everything else is there, I think. Okay, so just to check this, I'm gonna comment this out, and then we're gonna call in our ready, we'll just call equip pistol, set it to true. So now our aim button should work. Right, so we're walking around, we got our weapon, our leg animation still working, our idle animation still working. If I press aim, that's not the aim button, that's the menu button. What the hell is the aim button? Nice. X. Okay, I did press that, didn't work. No errors in the debugger. Did I comment this out or did I not? I did. Yeah, it didn't get called. Oh! So I don't call handle aiming. Awesome. There we go. That would do it. I can move around. He's aiming. Okay, it doesn't stop me from moving. That's not good. But he does stop it when I... Okay, cool. Godot. Go to end of animation. I don't want to check if it's done. I want to move it to the last frame. Damn it. Skip position. Yes. How do you do this? How old is this? Dude, where the fuck are the dates? There we go. Oh, this is 2019. My god. So the other problem we're gonna have here is we only have the animation tree and not the animation player. Oh, I stand corrected. Animation tree transitions. The fall animation, then a separate fall loop. I want to play the fall animation when the player's velocity is positive, and as soon as it finishes, transition to the fall loop until they return to the ground. My tree route is a blend tree. Is there a way to transition directly from one animation to another once it finishes? Well, yeah, that's This thread just has someone saying God is real at the bottom of it. Cool. Oh, here, this guy actually has the question I'm looking for. It was posted... Oh, that's 21, not December 21st. Damn it. Animation state. You can use sync, which continues the next frame where the last one stopped. Yes! Yes! That's it! That's what I'm looking for, baby. Open our little state machine here. Okay, so unaim pistol. This transition... Why can't I edit anything in it? What the fuck? What? Why are these all uneditable suddenly? What the heck? The game's not like running or anything. Oh, because I'm not... Ah, I know why. It's because I'm in this thing and not the actual... sync, baby. All right, so that should work. Okay, play this. Yes. And then likewise, this should be sync. So if I fire, that was weird. So we're here, right? Fire the gun. What the fuck is happening? Oh, wait. I have done a weird thing. Yeah, so it's skipping over this entirely. That's not how this works. Shit. And then same goes for you at end. Is there something? No, that wouldn't work that way. Dang it. Also, I don't think this should be at end. This should probably be immediate. I think more so we need to, like, send signals back at the end of the aim to let the player know they are allowed to shoot at that point. Yeah, and that would be good too, because then we can turn that signal off, and then when it finishes again, the same signal will go off, letting them know, like, okay, you're ready to shoot again. Alright. Ah. Where did I put handle shooting? Oh, there it is. I was like, I know I have it. What the heck? This is a weird one, because oh yeah, it's just gonna get stuck in a loop where it keeps playing the animations one after another. Oh, also, I need to check. So if we're aiming, and maybe a state machine wasn't great for this. Because I'd have more control. Like, I could have a one-shot animation that would fire off here, because it's kind of what we want. Again, I probably can set some sort of event, like, after this finishes, like, running or whatever. But, like... what was expression used for? Oh! Nice. Hold on, let me... well, that's just for the advancing, though, nothing else. At least I think. So, animation, expression. How's advanced expression supposed to work? They don't even mention expressions in the documentation. Does not show up once. Oh, I can even call state machine. Animation node state machine playback. I can call travel across a node. I wonder if that's like better or worse than using these parameters here, these like booleans. So, advanced condition. Oh, I should have watched what they're actually doing. Okay, so even in this example here, it seems like they have a separate variable for like not moving. But also they have it like turns itself off at the end. How do they do that? That's what I get for skipping around stuff. Okay, advanced condition is attacking. Sure. And the returning conditions. Oh, this video is 3 years old. Wow. I don't understand Seems like just by magic, this person has the one flag just turning off as soon as this thing's done, which doesn't seem like that would happen. Activating is attacking will play the animation and move to idle when finished. What the heck? Okay, I can prove this, right? Okay, so like, let's get to the start of our state machine here. Start her up. Equip pistol. Boom. Aiming. Fire. Yeah, no, it just keeps firing forever. How do I make that turn itself off? What the heck? In this example over here, the dude it just happens for some reason. Oh, I hope I'm not lagging. I didn't drop any frames. Okay, good. Specifically, I hope I don't drop any frames this stream because I did not record locally. And I didn't realize it until I was about like 30 minutes into stream, so I just figured, well, we'll just use the VOD. I guess retroactively, sorry to anybody watching this that notices the noticeable drop in quality. It's because I did not record something locally beforehand. That's alright though, nobody watches these VODs. People are watching the frickin' Tiger Gamecom VOD that I uploaded earlier this week. The video has over 1,000 views now. It's not a lot in the grand scheme of YouTube stuff, but it is for me. I did finish the Gamecom game after like almost 4 hours of playing it. I might play more of those someday. I have other ones. I think I have all the Gamecom games. It did, yeah. No, it had every area from RE2. Oh, okay. It had all the places you go to in RE2. Thanks. Yeah, no, I mean, it's shocking. It is wild. I get the most random... Okay, hold on. Let me, I'm going off on a tangent here. It's probably gonna be my, like, most viewed video pretty soon. Yeah, we're at 1,000... No, wait. Oh, wait, okay, this is the weirdest frickin' thing. It's not even like this is stale. My most viewed video right now is my playthrough of Nightmare of Decay, which kind of makes sense. It's like a very popular but niche horror game, so like, you know, whatever. And that's at 1,157. And then... Wait, so is Resident Evil 2. Okay, my dashboard's fucked. I don't know what's going on. Or somehow I have exactly the same number of views on those two videos. And then runner-up in third place is Densha Dago, the train game on the N64 that we played. That was a fun time. Only one dislike. I swear there's like a person that goes around and just dislikes anything that they didn't like that I played. Not all of my videos, like, it's very specific. Also, what's hilarious about that is, like, it's often, like, just part 1 of videos rather than, or, like, not part 1. Sometimes it'll be, like, part 2. Yeah, like my Donkey Kong Country playthrough. No thumbs down on part 1, but there's one on part 2. I really didn't like how I finished that game up, apparently. I don't know. They're not even leaving comments or anything. Why is Nightmare of Decay in your Steam wish list? I don't know. It doesn't seem up your alley. I should have put that on screen. What was I thinking? Whatever. It's gone now. I like Nightmare of Decay. I don't think you would, but... you know? Oh, you can make the start... I didn't know that. I don't need to have this, like, extra start thing here. You can actually set it to something. Or maybe that's the old way of doing things, because this is a video from actually... You know, maybe I shouldn't look at this, because this is a 3-year-old video. Starter state machines in Godot 4, 3 months ago. Let's do this. Let's do this one. This dude has like a lot of diagrams and stuff. I get how it works. Cool, it's fine, whatever. This difference is enough to break things. Okay. Yeah, you know what, actually? Maybe... So if I do use the changed state, at least for some of these... that could work. Or dot travel, I guess, is the... But yeah, we would just use animation tree dot get, and then we'd take... Alright, I'm gonna do that for this fire animation here. How do I get, like... Oh, wait, but now... no. Because then I won't be able to reuse it. I'll have to, like, also reference the specific animation. I don't like that. Like, I wonder, could I just set something in this expression area? The thing is, like, the video I'm looking at, it's like totally... They just set it, and it's like, yep, I got it. Did they have a link to their project in here? No. I think you can put state machines inside of your state machine. I don't know when you'd need that. Maybe there's a time. I don't know. Sorry, I'm just like rewatching this over and over to see if there's like some little detail of how he wires these up that's different. The UI for this is actually pretty different. Like, advanced condition was just one field. You didn't have all these fancy options that we got now. What does this mean? Determines whether the transition should be disabled. Enabled using .travel. Or enabled when using .travel. Disabled, don't use this transition. Enabled, only use this transition during .travel. Automatically use... Yeah, okay. Okay, so expression is just like a more enhanced condition, which that actually might remove the need for like this unequip or whatever, or end aiming and all that stuff, and unequip over here. Alright, where are things at right now? I've kind of got a little lost in the sauce there, chat. Oh, blapping all over the place. The guy's freaking the fuck out. So I didn't set my... Oh. Why did that even run? It should have been like, dude. If you're aiming and... input dot was... I'm batting 1,000 tonight. Jesus. Input dot is action pressed. Game constants dot controls dot fire, or I guess we're using confirm. Too late to go back on that now. I guess not. I can I literally wrote it that way so I can, you know, just mass replace it if I want to. Then start blasting. And then, I don't know, we'll have to worry about the rest of that later, because I don't know how to turn it off. Wonderful. So I guess in the old way, like, it would just turn that off for you when an animation ended. Wait, why am I aiming already? Can I press aim? There we go. Now I can't stop. Okay, I might need to check my logic in the aiming, because that was weird. Oh, crap. Did it, like, save these? I think it did. Yeah. That's actually really helpful, though, if I want to test in-game to make sure everything's wired up. Yeah, okay, so we're equipped pistol, that's fine. Aiming, yeah, and that has that unfortunate replay of the animation. Can maybe solve that with, like, a different animation. Like, have another slot in my state machine that's, like, a different animation playing. So, like, yeah. I think it's visually obvious, like, what I'm working through here, but, like, the two problems we have are... one, when we go back in our state machine, so for example, from like firing the gun to back to like the aiming it section, it does not, it replays the aim animation, so like we want it to basically just be at the end of it, so you're already like pointing the gun forward. Whereas, or yeah, and then the other problem is we need to clear our like flag that we did a shot after this animation ends, which I don't know how to do. Unless it's something as simple as this. Is there like, ah, darn. Would have been cool. Alright, Godot. State machine. Event when animation ends. Event on animation transition in Godot state machine. I'm also suffering from this problem. It seems this will be added into 4.1 or 4.2. Well, we're in 4.3, or no, we're in 4.1. What? Actually, what the hell am I in? 4.1. Add state transition signals. Maybe it's not here. No. State machine signal. Or signals. Now we're talking like computer science state machine. Oh, wait. No, yeah, this is called a state machine. The fuck? Why are you like, what are you talking about? Okay, this might get me there too. Oh god, it's January 2020. Animation finished, signal name. What? Dude, I'm in like a like Link frenzy over here. Oh, ho, ho. I can bake it into the animation itself, I think. Maybe. Okay. I don't know what I would connect this to. Oh yeah, this whole scene doesn't have any scripts on it. Dang. Dang. I mean, I can add one, but, not exactly sure how I want to solve that right now. But that might be along the lines of what I need to do. Oh, okay. I'm bouncing around too much. Let's go back to our animation tree. I want to try something simple here. So we can aim and unaim pretty easily. That's the wrong thing. But instead of using unaim... Oh, wrong tab. I'm like, where is it? Instead of that, forget that. Yeah, I know, whatever. Not aiming. Okay, so if I test it over here, right? So equip the pistol, restart the animation, equip pistol, aiming. Okay, it doesn't know how to parse that. Is it this? Nope. Like, what language do I use here? Complex animation condition. Aiming. Not equal true. Alright. Animation node state machine transition. I don't see a lot of documentation how expression actually works. Haha. What the heck? Use expression as a condition for a state machine. Dude, literally all their documentation is just like, you can use this for more advanced logic. Like, okay, can I? Can I please? I think I might need to do this. Oh, you know what, actually, before I go crazy like this, let me just... What if this works? Does that just work, maybe? Oh, wrong one. Oh no, that's its own thing now? Okay. Let's not do that. I think it's probably best if we just, stick with this end aiming. But I want to see if this works. Oh wait, the double quote's not single. Could you get out of my way, you absolutely useless piece of documentation? Alright. The funny thing is, it's probably like erroring at me. Oh my god, that works. I mean, it's probably not crazy efficient or anything, but you know. Alright, let us test our state machine once again. I don't mind that that snaps into place there, that's fine. Cool beans, let's make sure that it actually runs right. Okay, got our thing equipped. We can aim, we can unaim. Still got that weird ass bug, but whatever. We can shoot and then he'll never stop shooting. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, so I think I need to equip that to the animation. We might need other events when animations end. So let me see if I can do this properly. Also, we don't need unequip now. And we don't need end aiming. And we don't need idle, right? Also, I think I just... Yeah, I probably created a bunch of errors by doing that. We're gonna fix this for the legs as well. While we're here. Oh, wait, that's just... I didn't need to fix that one. Yeah, there's all the errors. I was gonna say, I'm like, I think that should have caused errors somewhere. Oh, wait. I like this from a code perspective a lot better. I don't know how I feel about it in the, like, Godot management side of things. Like, I may be asking for trouble for all I know. That's not good. My legs is broke. Is it not called walking? Did I get the animation wrong? Oh, Copy paste, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. Oh, also the animation tree is probably like super fucked right now. Oh no, it's not actually. What the hell? Okay. That works. Whatever. My legs work again. Huzzah! Okay. Gosh. Golly gee gosh. Okay, I'm gonna close all of these tabs because holy shit. Actually, I probably shouldn't have closed that video with the guy. It didn't explain it anyway, so it doesn't matter. I was about to say, hey, wait a second, isn't this a banjo song? And no, it's DK64. Same composer, different soundtrack. Okay, cool. So we've whittled down our animation variables a lot and simplified the code. You know what? I do like this actually overall. Now what I want to do is put a script together so that we can handle animation events. And we're gonna put it on the tree itself, I think. Or I guess the player would make more sense. Not the player, the animation player. Data, game UI, inventory, items, player, puzzles. I guess. I mean, there's a lot of stuff under player, right? Oh, no, not really, actually. I will call this player animation events. Animation event handler. Whatever. Rolls right off the tongue. And we won't have any exports for this, but we will keep a copy of the player. And then we'll retrieve it. The heck, you know what this is. Son of a bitch. Okay, whatever, dude. Time to reboot Visual Studio? Yeah, I might have to. Get node player. Or I could just do this alternatively. Oh, actually, you know what would be cool? If we denote the fact that this is going to be on... What does this type again? Animation player? Ooh, or should we put it on the animation tree? I don't know now. I like putting it on the tree now that I think about it. It has like better control over everything. It has a reference to the animation player anyway, so it's like... Yeah. It's supposed to be of type animation tree. Yeah, I think you're right. I think we gotta reboot Visual Studio. Hey, look, I did it. Still mad. What is your problem, Godot? Oh, it's loading something. Hold on. Maybe we'll be good. Give me them symbols, please. I need them. You're a real piece of work, aren't you? Son of a bitch. Okay, player. Oh, it doesn't even recognize this. Oh wait. Oh, you know what? Because I haven't built. Oh, maybe that's why. Shoot. Yeah, it doesn't recognize the file, so it's like not in the ecosystem yet. Did it not build? I didn't look. Yeah, it didn't build. Oh, wait. No, it did build. What the fuck? Maybe it built. I don't know. Clear the output. Run the game. I have no idea what's going on right now. Pretty frustrating though. Yeah, it's still not there. I think something is failing to compile, but I have no idea what. No. I was gonna say maybe it's because it's like a type. It's just... I got the type wrong or something. But no. It's right there under player. Alright. I'm rebooting everything. Except for Blender. Blender can stay, it's cool. Excuse you, computer? Holy shit. I know you guys couldn't hear that, but my computer just revved up like I was Fire in Crisis in 1990... That's not right. That game's newer than that. Maybe Node 3D also isn't a type. I'm so lost right now. Might be a lowercase d. I don't freaking know. It sure doesn't like to acknowledge that this file exists though, and that's pretty fucking awesome. It's in here. Scripts, player, animation event handler. I'm gonna just try to make another file. Genuinely, I think something just got fucked up with this. New script. Inherits, animation tree. Create the script. It's still fucked up. Fuck, man. The weirdest thing is just this, how it knows over here, like, what's what. No. Wait. Oh my god, no, it did something for a second there. Go back. Yes, you know what a player is. What? And now you suddenly don't. What a... Dude, I feel like I'm going insane. Alright. You there. Script. Take this script. Hopefully. Please build. Please acknowledge my fucking class. What the fuck? What is happening? It's running the code. Okay, I guess it's fine. It just does not know what the fuck this thing is. Oh, we don't need a process method either. I don't remember if these need to be public or not. Now I need to go make that. Where'd my player script go? Okay, we just need to wire that up with a signal now, and we should be all good to go. So back to the animation player, aim, not aim pistol, fire pistol. Animation, oh no, this is any animation finished, okay, oh, wait, shit. I think I've been doing this for all of my, like, event handlers, so I guess I'll keep the tradition. Yeah. Okay, so on animation finished, we call this guy. We call, I didn't compile, it doesn't know that that's there. Oh, it uses a string name type? The fuck is that? What is the error? Oh my god. Oh, there we go. X509 certificate error, that's not right. Build failed. String name does not contain... Oh, okay, string name is a valid class, but... Yeah, you know, if my symbols were loaded, I'd fucking know this shit. But, whatever. I hope toString is a valid thing for string name. Nice, okay. It succeeded. Screw these error messages. Now... Okay. What? Oh, shit. Wrong side. Oh, come on. What failed? Oh, I typed in pring instead of print. gd.pring. It's not working. No such mention of any of these things. What the heck? Oh, shoot. Okay. Unwire this. Disconnect this. You call you. The fuck? Gun. It worked! It worked! Oh my god, it worked! On animation finished. Equip pistol, aim pistol, aim pistol. So I think we can also use these to maybe fix the other issue, although I don't even know what things we should be calling. So that's annoying. But yeah, to like advance the animation to like the end of its next like cycle or whatever. Not sure what to do about that, actually. Oh man, oh man. I guess let's tackle that next, though. I think that is the way to go. I really, really wish that I had symbols in this class. It's so weird. It's fine over here, man. Okay, well, I guess let's try to code it out in the player. And, oh, actually, one thing I want to fix really quick. Back in our animation tree. So our state machine... This actually should most likely be using, like, wait till finish for the switch. Because I want to make sure you can't shoot until you actually start shooting. And then we can also use a signal similar to that. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. Can you use a signal to, like, when the animation starts, have the code handle the shoot. You know what, screw that, actually. Better thing to do would be, the aiming, right? So what's that animation called? Aim pistol or whatever. Crack a variable in here. Ready to shoot. And then we'll update this thing. If animation name starts with aim. Oh, shit. Oh, well, wait. Let's call it something different. On, aim, ready, or... on shooting ready. So the one thing that's kind of janky with this... is when you unaim, this is gonna be like weird. Okay, so now we set it false here so you can't shoot yet. And then I guess when you start aiming, should say that we're not ready to shoot when that's the case. Okay, does this all work? I didn't check the variable, so nothing's gonna change. Also, what? What's wrong now? Unfinished aim. Oh, right. Wait, what? Huh? Oh, did I not save? Probably didn't save. Yeah, I didn't save. It'll do it. Okay, but we're not checking the variable right now, so I need to do that also. So ready to shoot. Handles shooting. Ready to shoot and aiming and all this jazz. Then shoot. So I think because we're also checking that the player's actually aiming and because we're going to reset that flag each time, this should work out alright. Okay, so I pressed shoot while I was aiming, it didn't do it. Now that worked that time. Now I'm mashing it, and it only does it when I press it after the aim animation's finished. Yes, okay. I like that a lot. Okay. Alright, that's all good. I guess I'm trying to figure out now, how do we want to make these, like, animation hard cuts, like, not work, or not be janky? I guess I just need to go look at this, right? Godot animation tree. Set animation position. Frame. Everything about animations in Godot. Set the start frame in a looped animation. Also back in 2021. Man, there's a lot of people that were like talking about this stuff for a while back. It's weird. Blend position? Blend position. Doesn't seem right. This might be a property. Oh, fuck. Okay. Nope. No, it is not. Whew. Oh, wait. Reset. What is this? This might be our ticket. But I need to turn this on and off, basically. Because we do want it... Oh, it's tricky. So, like, okay, let's test it out here, right? So let's turn reset to... Oh, well. Ooh. Wait, maybe I'm good here. Hold on. Let's test her out. Equip the pistol. Aim. Oh, that's it! That's all I gotta do! Oh my god, that's so much easier. Thank god. Okay. Reset. Don't reset. And now I'm gonna aim, and now I'm gonna fire. And I'm gonna stop. And he'll be ready back in his normal animation. Yes! Yes! And then I guess the last thing is equip and unequip. Well, yeah, that's instantaneous, but I don't really mind, honestly. It's fine. I guess if I wanted to make that look better, I could do the equip animation again, play it in reverse, much like this, and then have it go back to idle. But I don't care. That one's not as important. Okay, let me make sure this works in game. Lap. Oh. Okay. Shit. So now it's not replaying the shoot animation. It only plays it once. Side note, it doesn't really matter if I wait for end, or maybe that's actually what I should do. Just immediate on that one or something like that. It's tricky. That didn't fix it. It's weird that it does fix it when I go back there. It's weird. What if I do this? So reset off, or I don't know if I want it on or off for that one. But this use sync. Oh no, at end, then back this way. Reset off. Not sync. Oh wait, no. Yes, sync here? Maybe this is the secret sauce. Can't I? Oh. So don't reset here. Then here, sync the frame. Just auto transition, so that should maybe be okay. And then get rid of this. Just at end. Okay. This may or may not work. I don't know. Nah. Didn't sync the frame. Well, what if I don't reset you? How does that work? I think I'm making things more complicated than they need to be. That still does that? Okay. And that was that soundtrack. Relaxing Resident Evil 1 through 3 music. Hope we got the basement theme on this playlist. the redone version of it, hopefully. Or the director's cut version, I mean. So what if this is at end? These just all kind of do this. We're so close. We're so close, Chad. I got a little double shot. And also the animation doesn't work. Damn it. Alright, I think let's go back to what we had. This is closer. It's just not right. Advance at end. You get out of here. So this gets us back to the state where, like, he re-aims after firing. Yeah. The thing is... Dude, this file is gonna drive me insane. So, we're back to square one, sort of. Oh, call is, that's for, like, cross C# GD script stuff. You know, this question did have, like, the exact wording of what I was looking for, but, they're actually asking how to blend animation, which is not the problem we're solving here. Animation reset into the first frame when changing. I think I came across this post earlier and they were like, yeah, use sync, but that's not what I need here. Current animation position and advance. Okay, hold on. What is this part of? Animation player. So this would be tree.player. Oh, okay, so that's a variable that I'd have to get by calling, like, get or whatever, I think. Seems like... It seems to imply that this is something I can just reference, but it's not here. Oh, wait a sec, I'm looking at the 4.2 documents. Let me double check and see if it's in 4.1. It is not. Okay, okay. So this is now something that I might need to update for. Oh wait, no, I lied. It's in here. Yeah. So there's dot advance. Do I have access to that? Do I have access to it in here? Oh, okay. Oof. I'm gonna just bullshit and say 5 seconds, and I don't know if I go too far if it'll fuck things up, but let's just test it, right? Wait, do we have symbols in here now? It still doesn't know what the hell an animation tree is, but... seems like that worked. Cool. Wait, yeah, it doesn't know what tree is. People understand how to code is an enigma to me. It's a process. I've been doing it for over a decade. Well, hell, I've been like in the workforce of, well, not game design, but other coding jobs for over a decade now. And hell, I've been like working on games since I was like a teenager, so it's multiple decades. Oh, you know, maybe I should use sync with the reverse. Although no, I have the opposite problem because it's like it would be, since it's playing the animation in reverse, it would take it to like the opposite point based on time. Early Game of the Year contender. Stuff spells Spidey. Ah, it didn't work. Oh wait, I didn't set it. Oh wait, no, I did. Okay. Oh, no, we're not setting it because the, what are you mad about here? Oh, I didn't put a semicolon. I'm so mad that this is, like, not highlighting anything in here. It does not know... I mean, I guess it knows, like, primitives and stuff, but... it's like... It's just this file, too. Like, I've seen Visual Studio get like this, where it's like, okay, well, all the symbols just aren't loaded or something. But it's literally just this file, and it likes to pretend that it's not even part of the project somehow. But it's in there, this code is running. Okay, back to the node signal binding. So, on animation started, we want to call our on animation started method. Connect that up right there. I don't know why it opens your, like, text editor when you, do that. It's very odd. It's like, I guess... No, I do understand it now. I guess most people probably write it... Like, they probably wire stuff up first and then write the methods. But I'm doing it backwards, so... It's just popping a window up in my face that I don't want to see. Ah, wrong button. Ah, it didn't work. Okay, but did it call it? Okay. We're calling it. Just advanced does not seem to be doing its job. Ah. What if I just need to put, like, a lot of stuff in there? Like, or a lot of time, rather. Or what if I'm putting too much time in there? What are we at? So this is 1.6, it looks like? Yeah, this is 1.6 long. Let's just put that in here. Although it might have already, like, started it by the time it calls start, so I don't know. Add user to signal. Oh, it's like manually defining a signal in code. Interesting. This is so weird because the documentation says all this stuff is on the animation player, not the animation tree. But it's not showing up there. So we're doing this instead. Godot, animation tree, advance. Well now, damn, they're naming. Now it's showing me like the advanced expression window from the like state machine that we were messing with earlier. Yeah. If the value is false. That's from 2020. I mean, I guess we already found a solution for that. I just thought I might have found a more elegant one. Alright, this thing is called... What is this thing called? It's called animation tree. Animation tree dot advance. See, now all my search results are about this frickin' thing. Where is it? This field down here, the thing we were trying to find earlier. Or I guess rather this, more specifically. Is this from Survivor? Oh, Dead Aim. Gun Survivor 2. Tree.animation player. Wait a second. So this... Oh, this is a node path. That's why it's not, showing me any properties that it probably has on here. Why is this mad? Oh. Hey, what's up, Super Caffeinated? How's it going? How do I use this? I guess I could also just have the player be a parameter, like an export parameter. But... what is this? This is a node path. Godot, node path. What is this fucking thing? A pre-parsed relative absolute path. Okay, so instead of this path. Dude, what? It says node path is a thing. Why is this like this? I get that it doesn't want to have... Like, this is just like a weird compression thing. That, like, chops up the bits of the path. It's very weird. Not bad. Kind of game I'm making. I'm working on a, like, old school PS1 style, like, survival horror game. Think like Resident Evil or I guess Silent Hill is in there too, but yeah. Right now we're working on animations. Specifically, so this is our like well, this is a placeholder for our shooting animation, but I need it to not replay the aiming animation after I shoot. I managed to get the other animations squared away pretty well, but this one doesn't seem to be responding to all the things I'm trying to do to make it work. It's Goon Redfield. Yeah, I gotta remodel that guy. That's kind of why I didn't... That's why I half-assed all the animations, because, like, I don't want to use this thing. This is, like, a free-to-use, like, already rigged with, like, a whole skeletal frame. Which is insanely helpful, but yeah, no, I want to make my own thing. Wish I could help you. It's all good. I don't mind flying solo. Or, I mean, I don't mind figuring stuff out. I think I'm onto something here, but I need to figure out how I'm going to actually do this. So we need an animation player type. This file is also being really picky for, like, no reason. It's very weird. That's called player. Oh, wait, no, we won't call it player, because that's the player. Alright, animation player. And then we need to assign that. So build really quick. Now give it the animation player. Even though we literally have that right here, but whatever. Okay. Does this work? So it kind of makes sense if this is what I had to do. It doesn't like that still. Didn't blow up. At least I don't think it did. Any errors in here? Nope. Okay, what if I go back to this? Let me... Alright, on the chance that, like, this is somehow off by, like, half a frame or something, because it's already, like, started it, and it's not... It needs to be, like, the exact amount of time that's, like, a valid time to move forward. Yeah, that's kind of what I thought. And then just last sanity check in case we need to advance both the animation tree and the animation player. Let's do that. Yeah, no, nothing. The animation player keeps track of its current or last played animation in assigned animation. This method is called the same animation name or with no name parameter, then it will resume playing if it was paused. Note, the animation will be updated the next time the animation player is processed. If other variables are updated at the same time, this is called they may be updated too early. To perform the update immediately, call advance 0. So that sounds like advance 0 would be the way to set it to the beginning of the animation. This is weird. This might also be specifically talking about the 2D animation player. I don't know if they're different or not. I don't think they actually are. Like, most of Godot is split between 2D and 3D, but I think this one might be separate. Or might not be separate. Even the documentation does not acknowledge that animation tree has a class in it called, or a method in it called advance. Oh, but then there's also animation mixer that it inherits from. Ah, okay. That's where the advance is coming from. Godot, animation, player, advance. It's not moving. Animations player, so this is an issue. It's been closed. It's from 2 years ago. When an animation track hits its first key at a non-zero time, and the mode is set to update discrete, animation player.advance will update the property to that key regardless. I mean, this is like an old bug anyway, but, you know. What's wrong? I am trying to get my animation... Well, there's multiple ways I can fix this, probably. But, specifically, the way I've got my animation set up, so when I do my shoot animation, wrong button, it replays my aiming gun animation in its entirety, and I want it to just go back and not replay that. So for example, I was having this trouble with other animations as well. So like when I aim and unaim, I was having a problem where it would replay the animation where you first equip something. But I managed to fix that in my animation tree. This transition here, I just set reset to off. But the problem is if I turn reset off for this, when I go to try to trigger the fire pistol animation again, it won't trigger. And I don't exactly know why. Anyway, so my thought process was, okay, well, if I can manually just tell it to like go to the end of the animation when it starts, then I can do that. And this is getting called as expected. But it still is not like quite right. Or this is doing nothing. Like this logic is firing off, and it's firing off once and at the time I expect it to fire off, but it is still playing the whole animation. Also, I just put crazy values in here. I don't know. There's no way this is the solution, but we haven't tried it. Yeah. I tried Seek. I have not tried Seek. Let me give it a try. Also, for some reason, Visual Studio is exploding on me, so... is that... So it's not on the tree, that's fine, though. Just pretend that this is here. Okay, cool. Yes, okay. So just need to do that on the player, no biggie. All that garbage. Let's see if this will work. I think I may just have like a fundamentally flawed animation state machine. Didn't like that. Darn. I could try both. Just toss them all in there, why not? Okay. Let me... Calling seek when there's no current animation. Well, there is a current animation, so that shouldn't be a problem. Three years ago. It's not good. Seek after playing. Oh, maybe it might be because of where I'm catching this. Wait. You only have a gun raise animation, right? You don't have a gun just being raised animation. Oh, like an intermediate one where it's just already up. Yeah, that would do it, actually. Honestly, that might just be the answer. Stick that in the middle, then I don't need to worry about any of that. Yeah, why not? Fuck it. Let's make that real quick. So we take, not fire pistol, we want aim pistol. Gotta select the right bones. Do we use the shoulder? We do not use the shoulder. Good call, good call. We don't move the hand? Weird. Oh, also I need to, make a new animation. Yeah, no, I totally get you. This will solve everything, actually. Okay, before I nuke this, I just need to confirm this is its own animation, not the one I just cannibalized. Okay, cool. So we still got our aiming animation, we still got... And now we have just sitting there aiming with it. I don't know why I didn't think of that. Whatever. We got there. It's all good. Get our GLB. Pull it in. Hope Unity... hope Godot doesn't crash. I hope Unity doesn't crash, because it's not even open. That'd be pretty bad. Outbreak music. I actually like this a lot better anyway, because I really don't love having like, oh, just skip this many frames in my code. That sucks. What am I doing? It's already here. Just do this. Okay, so instead... Just need to rewire this a little bit. Oh no! It blew up. It's okay. Just launch it again. I should update at some point also. I don't know what goodies there are between Godot 1 and... or 4.1 and 4.2, but... never a bad idea. Well, that's not true. Sometimes it's a horrible idea to update things. But there's a stable release out there. What could go wrong? You know, don't get me wrong, I am actually really happy with the features in 4 versus 3. But man, is it fucking hard to find some information sometimes. Because there's like a lot more info on the older versions. They really did mix stuff up in 4, which is, again, probably for the better in the long run, but certainly causes some confusion. Okay, so now we go to that, and then I need to also move this over here. What, do I have any weird... Oh yeah, just the fire command. And then that's immediate, so that's nothing too fancy. Look, he's bobbing his head to the Outbreak music. Then back here on end, just auto, and I don't need to do anything else special beyond that. Other than get rid of these, I suppose. And that should match this. It sure does. Alrighty. Let me move this over here. That's just visually better. Oh, I didn't get rid of my excess dumb code, but whatever, that's fine. Now it won't play the animation again. Why? Wait, his head twitched. Why did that happen? Oh, shit, I think I'm... this. Okay, you know what? Get rid of this code. Get it out of here. I don't like it. Yeah, let's unwire that up too, actually. Hey. Oh my god, those errors down there. On animation started, disconnect. We need it, we'll get it again, whatever, I don't care. And then I don't need the animation player anymore either. Yeah. Oh, do I need this aiming thing? Oh yeah, I do, because that is how we determine in-game logic when we're allowed to shoot or not. Oh, that's what's going on! Ah, shoot. Yeah, literally. Okay, so... when... oh, also that doesn't exist anymore. So I think we can just do it in here. Player.on shooting ended. We can also just tag it and say, you know... oh, I don't need this garbage either. There we go. That's the issue. I hope. Hey, all right. Well, folks, you know, I was gonna actually add a weapon, not just visually to the game, but or not just visually to the animations, but also like have a weapon. But I think it's a little too late to get that accomplished tonight. So yeah, I might just call it right there, actually. But yeah, no, I think that's good. That's well, I didn't really know how far I was gonna get tonight. I just knew I wanted to work on weapon animation stuff. Oh, I should take out my debug code. Yeah, I guess we don't actually know whether this will work properly once all the logic is enabled, but the only other unchecked like conditionals we have here are this one, and then like getting it equipped in the first place. Oh wait, we don't actually have a thing Yeah, weapon equipped to set the animation name and everything. Okay, let's wire these up. We can do that at least before we go. Oh, shoot. Actually, you know what else? I want it to not let you move when you're walking. Okay, let's leave this stuff on for the time being. We'll get these wired up. We'll make it so you can't walk when you're aiming. Okay, process movement, right? That would be this guy. Is movement prevented? Can't move if you're shooting. Wait, why is aiming not part of this calculation? Honestly, I feel like aiming should prevent you from doing more stuff. Like, maybe not interact while you're aiming. Oh, I have a can shoot. Okay, yeah, you know what? We should use this. And then I think instead of having that status over here, we move this to the player status object, and then we can just set it all willy-nilly. Oh. Okay, remove this, see how many places it gets pissed off at. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, no, this is what I want. Ready to shoot equals false. Ready to shoot equals true, and then the last one... Oh, right. Instead of checking that here, check player status dot can shoot. Nice. All right. And then hopefully I didn't just bork everything. So now I should no longer... Well, I did. Okay. Ready to shoot does not exist. What did I miss? Oh. No, no, no. Oh my god. I am just a complete mess tonight. I don't know what's going on. Okay, shooting still works. Nice. Oh, and then I can't move while I'm aiming. Nice, but I can move while I'm not aiming. Okay. That's all good. What is this shit? That might be something I should be concerned about. Or was that when I was... Was that from the errors? I don't even know. Let's see. Or from the, like, compile errors that we were having. Oh, but it's still playing the walking animation because I'm holding the button. Okay. That might have been from the compiler error. Okie dokie. This... That makes no sense, actually. Oh, it needs to unset it if we were walking. Well, that's easy enough. Just do it in here. Why are you doing this to me, Visual Studio? Come on, man. Do you pretend to, like, do anything nice right now? Just gonna, like, jankily not align things properly. Okay, so we're walking, and then I aim, and it stops. Yes! Alright. Booyah! Well, that happened again. I don't know what this is. Maybe that's, like, some weird intermittent, like, bug or something that's going on. Okay, so we've prevented movement. Now I just need to wire up the equip and unequip, which I think are in here. Yeah, equip weapon. Okay, so we want to grab the player while this happens. Cool. Weapon equipped. Oh, actually, we'll do that here. Guess we need to do two different ones based off what is happening. Weapon unequipped. That's a weapon, I don't know. Player dot weapon equipped. Weapon. Nice, okay. That's nice and simple. Again, I don't have any weapons implemented in the game, so I can't actually test this. That'll probably be next time. And then we'll also... Oh, shoot, you know what? Also, I should have... at least a to-do in here. Get damage per hit. We need to do a ray cast from the, well, I guess from the gun to the enemy. Yeah, I'm not doing that right now. More outbreak. I think that would be my ideal next iteration of this game, is to like add an online component, make it like Outbreak. Some online, old school tank control survival horror. Alright, putting everything back to normal here. In theory, if we had a weapon item, this should work. Okay, so aiming does not freeze me in my place or fuck with the animation. That's good. A bunch of errors, but that's, I don't know what the hell that is. I think that's where we call it for the night, folks. I learned a lot about animation tonight, so specifically coding around it and stuff like that. A lot of it Godot specific, but also I think some of these core concepts will be pretty useful. Anywho, thanks for hanging out, everybody. It's been fun. I will be streaming tomorrow, around 8 p.m. Eastern. We will be continuing Tomb Raider 1. I think, well, no, I know we're not going to finish it next stream because there's like 8 levels left, and I finished 2 of them in like 3 hours the last time I streamed it, so... Assuming that levels just keep getting longer, harder, or both, yeah, it's probably going to be Tuesday when we finish that. But all the same, whatever. It's a fun game. It's frustrating in some ways, but pretty fun. But yeah, for those of you that don't know, I'm doing a big old marathon of PS1 games, specifically ones that I've never played before, alongside my other marathon of N64 games, which is a mishmash of stuff I played before, stuff I haven't, just basically stuff on the N64 that I want to try out. But yeah, that'll be Monday and Tuesday. We'll be playing Tomb Raider. Then on Thursday, we will resume our Ocarina of Time playthrough. Faces of Evil. Oh, that's 4 days later. Thought we figured that out. I'd play Faces of Evil again. That game's bad, but it's funny and it's also short. Like, I had fun. Like, are they good games? No. But Faces of Evil and Wand of Gamelon, I had a lot of fun playing them for the wrong reasons. That's all I gotta say. Alright, folks. I'm out for real. I'm losing my voice. But catch y'all later. I might do some animation, or not even animation, some modeling work off stream. Just want to remind you to never forget the name. Because I like that this guy exists as like a template for like, hey, you know, I'm modeling stuff and I don't want to be the like 600th person to make a basic human model thing. And like, hey, here's a free to use like already rigged up model. That's cool and all, but I want my game to have unique visuals, such as our one monster guy. Oh, I should put the other monster in here now that we got two of them. I didn't export him yet, but if anyone wants to see that, here, before I go. It's a beautiful model, not recover. Look at him. He doesn't have bones yet, so I can't animate him, but he's here. Gotta give him bones, though. Anywho. That's on the docket. Getting a proper player model's on the docket. So much to do. I think, actually, the next thing I'll do on stream with this game is actually have working weapons in there. Hopefully multiple. We'll see. See where I get. Alright. Enough of this long outro. Goon night, everybody. Thanks for stopping by. Let me see if I can find somebody to raid before we go out. Surely someone's online. Nobody's online. I feel like people don't stream on Sundays. So many, like, big streamers are playing Pal World right now. Damn, I missed the end of GDQ. Dang it. Actually, really, all I saw of GDQ was that dog speedrunning. That's pretty cool. Alright, well, I guess no raid then. Sorry, everyone. I'm sure there's someone doing game dev that I could probably find and raid, but... I'm sleepy. I don't want to stick around for a raid. I'm just gonna go to bed. Alright. See y'all tomorrow. Take care. Goon night. Peace.